Hi everyone, I'm Anne and today I make this tiny painting of a field for forget-me-nots with Turner acrylic gouache. I stick a small piece of paper to the surface with some tape. I simply draw a larger sheet of mixed media paper into small pieces with this serrated ruler. For the background I use a very dark green by mixing some black with green paint. Then I fill the background with leaves. For each layer of leaves I mix a slightly lighter green with less or no black at all and some yellow. Don't worry if they're not perfect, it will be covered with flowers anyway. These are also nice as gifts. You can make several of them at the same time, so you don't have to wait until the lay is dry. After each step you just continue on the other pieces of paper. Forget-me-nots have a simple shape with 5 petals. I use a small filbert brush so I can paint the petals in just one stroke. So that not every flower is the same, I mix different shades of blue, some a little lighter, others with a hint of purple. When the blue paint is dry, I add some light blue details on the petals before adding the center of the flowers. This was a fun little project to complete in under an hour. Perfect for passing the time on a rainy afternoon or to wind down and let go of stress. No need for perfectionism. If the painting is finished, it will look cute anyway. Sometimes the center of forget-me-nots are yellow and sometimes they're white. Fun fact, a yellow center attracts insects for nectar. Once the flower is pollinated, the center turns white, indicating that the flower no longer needs to be visited. Did you know that? And that was it. Let me know, do you give this a try this weekend? Have a nice day, until next time.